This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jonathan Snellings. Neighborhood living in a country setting. Enjoy this beautiful like-new home built in 2020. Entertain guests in this large open floor plan, take walks down the quiet cul-de-sac and watch the sunset over the neighboring farm from your back patio. Convenient to Knoxville, Halls and Powell, and only 10 minutes to NorrisLake at Sharps Chapel. Home has been well maintained and ready for you to make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Jonathan Snellings at 865-693-1111.